Hello, and welcome to another edition of Coffee Talk with immigration attorney Brian D. Lerner. In case you haven't heard, Mr. Trump will be becoming the president of the United States, and you know, all of the promises basically that he had made during the campaign. To build the wall and keep the Muslims out, and all of the items which, at this point, we don't know particularly what is rhetoric and what is not, what he used to win, what he didn't use to win. But the fact is that there are certain items in immigration that you need to be aware of, and you need to take action now if, in fact, you qualify. I know there's a lot of people out there that have been on the fence as to whether to go forward or not go forward with certain petitions. Well, let me give you a couple examples of where a single pen stroke from the new president will erase the current situation, because these things I'm going to be talking about were not passed by Congress. They were not laws then signed into law by the president, currently President Obama. In fact, they were what is called executive orders. So executive orders are where the president has certain authority to do certain things, and basically makes an order. That's really what it is. It's a presidential order to do something, and boom, it becomes effective. Well, as easy as that was to become effective, it is just as easy, which will most likely happen, to take it away with a single stroke of the pen. When Trump becomes president, he simply can say no more DACA, no more provisional waivers. Boom, it's gone. So as it stands now, these are the two items which I'd like to discuss, and that is DACA, which is Dream Act, deferred action, and I'm not going to go into all the qualifications of how you qualify and so forth, because you probably already know. But sometimes, if you're on the line or you have an issue, you decided not to apply. Well, now's the time to apply. If you apply and it's approved, it's unlikely that any stroke of the pen will take that away. It's only the future applications that will not be able to happen. That's the first one. The second one, and even much more important, really, is the provisional waiver. This deals with people, who have been here illegally. I'll just give an example. They're married to a U.S. citizen or a resident, and they want to consular process. But the moment they leave the U.S., they can't come back for 10 years. So the provisional waiver allows you to apply for the waiver inside the U.S. And then, assuming it's approved, you leave. And many of my clients have left for 2 or 3 days. They go there, answer a few questions. They come back as a resident. So people many times have been on the fence about applying for it because they still don't want to leave the country. Well, I'm here to tell you that the provisional waiver will likely disappear once Donald Trump gets into power. And so as it stands right now, if you get it filed and get it done, then it can't be taken away once it's already filed and so forth. So it would be in your best interest, if you qualify for a provisional waiver, or if you're not sure if you qualify for a provisional waiver, give my office a call. I'll be happy to give you the initial consultations free, but you got to get this done and out the door. Don't wait. Provisional waivers were entered in through executive order, and again, they can easily be taken away. So I'm here to fight for you and your families, and to help you with everything that's going to come down the road once Donald Trump becomes president. But the first things first, apply for what you qualify for now. Don't wait. Okay, it's imperative. So give my office a call, and I'll be happy to help. More on the coming videos.